For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a landscaping business can be a rewarding venture, combining your love for outdoor work with the potential to build a profitable enterprise. Thanks to advances in AI technology, many essential steps can be streamlined and enhanced using free AI tools. This guide will walk you through a step-by-step process to launch your landscaping business with the help of AI, from planning and marketing to operations and customer management. Step 1. Research and define your business idea. Before diving into the operational details, it's critical to clarify what type of landscaping services you want to offer. Landscaping can include lawn care, garden design, hardscaping, irrigation installation, and maintenance services. Use AI-powered research tools to analyze local market demand, competitor offerings, and pricing trends. ChatGPT can help generate research questions or analyze market data you input. Try this prompt for ChatGPT. Help me research the landscaping market in your city. Or popular services, typical customer needs, and competitive pricing. Step 2. Develop a detailed business plan. A solid business plan lays the foundation for your landscaping company. Use AI to assist you in drafting a comprehensive plan that covers your business goals, target customers, service offerings, pricing structure, marketing strategies, and financial projections. ChatGPT can draft or refine business plans based on your inputs, saving time and increasing clarity. Sample prompt. Create a detailed business plan outline for a landscaping business targeting residential clients in your city. Include sections on services, marketing, operations, and financial projections. Step 3. Choose a business name and register it. Pick a name that reflects your landscaping services and is easy to remember. AI naming tools like Namelix can generate unique and catchy business names based on keywords you provide. After deciding on a name, check availability and register it through your local government or online portals. Example prompt for Namelix or ChatGPT. Generate creative business name ideas for a landscaping company specializing in garden design and lawn care. Step 4. Set up your online presence. An attractive, informative website is essential for gaining customers today. Use free AI website builders such as Wix ADI or Bookmark, which leverage AI to help you create customized, professional websites quickly. These tools suggest layouts, content, and images based on your business type. For content creation, ChatGPT can generate website copy, including your About Us, services descriptions, and contact information. Example prompt. Write website content for a landscaping business homepage highlighting residential lawn care and garden design services. Step 5. Create a marketing plan. Effective marketing will help you attract and retain clients. Use AI marketing assistants like HubSpot's free CRM or MailChimp's free plan to manage email campaigns, social media scheduling, and customer interactions. For strategy development, ChatGPT can help craft a marketing plan targeting local homeowners. Example prompt. Create a marketing plan to promote a new landscaping business targeting residential customers. Include social media, email, and local advertising ideas. Step 6. Price your services competitively. Setting the right prices is key to profitability and attracting clients. Use AI tools like Google Sheets combined with AI assistants, such as ChatGPT, to analyze competitor pricing and calculate your costs. You can request help creating pricing models based on labor, materials, and overhead. Example prompt. Help me develop a pricing model for landscaping services, including lawn mowing, planting, and garden maintenance. Consider local market rates and business expenses. Step 7. Organize your operations and tools. Create a plan for managing your daily landscaping jobs, equipment inventory, and staff schedules. AI tools such as Trello, with AI-powered automation, or Notion can help you organize tasks, track projects, and collaborate if you hire workers. You can use ChatGPT to generate templates for job sheets or equipment checklists. Example prompt: generate a daily job tracking template for a landscaping business, including client info, job details, materials used, and time spent. Step 8. Handle legal and financial requirements. Make sure you understand local licensing, permits, and insurance required for landscaping businesses. You can ask ChatGPT to summarize legal requirements in your area or draft application letters. For managing finances, consider AI-enabled bookkeeping tools like Wave, Free, that automate invoicing, expense tracking, and accounting. Example prompt: what are common licensing and insurance requirements for a small landscaping business in your state/city? Also, help me draft a simple business insurance inquiry email. Step 9. Generate client proposals and quotes. Offering professional and clear proposals builds trust with clients. Use AI to draft estimates and proposals quickly. ChatGPT can help you create customizable templates that include project scope, timelines, costs, and terms. Example prompt: create a landscaping service proposal template that I can customize for different clients, including services, pricing, and terms. Step 10. Promote your business and manage customer relationships. Leverage AI-driven social media tools like Buffer or Later to schedule posts and engage with potential clients. Use free CRM tools integrated with AI, such as HubSpot, to track leads, follow-ups, and customer communications. ChatGPT can help you draft customer messages, appointment reminders, and promotional offers. Example prompt: write a friendly follow-up email to a prospective landscaping client who requested a quote last week. Step 11. Continuously improve your skills in business. Keep learning about landscaping trends, new techniques, and business management. Use AI-powered educational platforms like Coursera or Khan Academy to find free courses. ChatGPT can generate summaries of articles or explain complex landscaping concepts. Example prompt: summarize the latest trends in sustainable landscaping and how they can benefit a small landscaping business. Conclusion: starting a landscaping business with the assistance of free AI tools can significantly reduce your workload and improve your chances of success. From initial market research to marketing and operations, AI helps automate repetitive tasks, provide insights, and generate professional content. By following these steps and leveraging AI's capabilities, you can build a strong foundation for your landscaping business while saving time and resources. With dedication and smart use of technology, your landscaping venture can grow into a thriving business serving your community's outdoor needs. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.